I think about Tai Chi on four levels. At the first level, Tai Chi is exercise, a sophisticated system of physical movement. That said, Tai Chi differs in several respects from most types of Western exercise. First, Tai Chi is low impact, meaning it doesn't pound the body. Tai Chi is an excellent exercise for people with joint issues like old injuries or arthritis. My book, Tai Chi for Knee Health, goes into that in detail. Second, Tai Chi can be practiced slowly and gently. So it's an ideal exercise for people who haven't exercised for a while and want to get into a regular exercise routine. At the same time, Tai Chi delivers a powerful whole body workout that includes cardio, strength, endurance, balance training, and much more, all in one exercise. Finally, Tai Chi emphasizes deep relaxation rather than straining or pushing. In Tai Chi, you discover how to relax the body while at the same time developing surprising stability and power through sophisticated whole body movement. So, for those looking for a low impact, whole body exercise with many proven health benefits, including reducing stress, Tai Chi is an excellent choice. At the next level, Tai Chi is a sophisticated system of Qigong. What is Qigong? Qi is the Mandarin word for internal energy. Gong is the Mandarin word for practice. Qigong means energy practice. There are many traditions that hold we have energy or qi that runs through our bodies. When that energy is strong, balanced, and smooth, we're healthy. When that energy is weak, blocked, or stagnant, we're more susceptible to illness. Inside the movements of Tai Chi are opportunities to incorporate sophisticated Qigong. According to Qigong theory, that will strengthen, balance, and improve circulation of our Qi, leading to vibrant good health. The next level of Tai Chi is as a martial art, a system of self-defense. Tai Chi originated in China hundreds of years ago as a martial art. Inside the flowing movements of Tai Chi are strikes, kicks, joint locks, takedowns, and similar techniques common to most authentic martial arts. Today, Tai Chi is primarily practiced as a health practice. That said, there are plenty of practitioners who continue to explore the martial roots and applications of Tai Chi. At its highest level, Tai Chi offers a platform for meditation. By meditation, I don't mean just breathing and calming the mind. By meditation, I mean the deep, transformative inner work that can lead to profound personal growth and change, even enlightenment. So that's my answer to what is Tai Chi. Tai Chi is low impact, yet powerful exercise. Tai Chi can be a sophisticated energy practice or Qigong. Tai Chi can be trained as a martial art. Tai Chi can provide a platform for meditation. To find out more about Tai Chi and Qigong and the other practices we teach, go to our website at www.chicagotaichi.org and subscribe to our newsletter. We put out a lot of free content, so subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.